Hello my dear traders. So we have a obligation to go over the big trade we had on Friday. You know, the preparation was everything for this trade, so we really need to go over it and how we traded it, you know. How I personally traded it, it was big win for my accounts. So I did a post before we ever reached the area. We will open the levels as well. Here we are, levels to the downside for Friday from scalping point of view. 41,900 to 41,800 would be the best area to hold for great scalp and day trade. High volume note with naked liquidity, POC and a naked daily. What a combo. We will see when we approach it and how we react with order flow and velocity of the bounce. I want to see fast wick from it and up. So that was my post, preparation done. We already opened the levels. We can see it's very packed area. That's what we want. We always want a lot of Confluence at our areas. So we had Corona low anchored VWAP. This is tracking huge volume for the past at least 18 months plus. We have the 0.5 major full pull here and 0.86 15-minute pull. So you have double Fibonacci pulls, making your odds higher the more traders are watching it for the bounce. We have the weekly opened with session at naked point of control, already crazy area. Weekly open, as we know, is usually defended by the, by the traders who are. If you are trading above the open, buyers will be defending. Under it, you have daily naked point of control with naked daily. So you see the perfect combination here. So many strong levels at once are giving you high probability trade where you can actually estimate what market do even after. So this is crazy, like the reaction was not so fast, but it doesn't matter. I took the trade. I would take this trade 100 times if I'm presented with such opportunities. Also look at here, hyblock was very useful to us because we marked at 41,630 end of major liquidity node. Whole area from this point to this point is liquidation area of all previous longs, logging the range. So we actually, with the move down, we grab liquidity, which is another important thing. And now we will go how we get high volume node. You have two options. You can get, I combine both, of course. You need to zoom out. Yeah, this was our trade here. You will be checking the range on the left where you traded before, because, as you are entering into previous ranges, you need to know them. Let's see, we cannot range this. We cannot merge this one. I look at here. This is your high volume node. This is your naked POC, and look at the reaction. Perfect reaction. Buying tail, that's all you want. You don't want to, spend too much time here and chop around. You want fast, big reaction. That was good reaction here. Also, you go to your charting, okay? And of course, you will be using volume profile as well, based on volume. And look at here, I mark this as big volume node. You see? So you have important POC, but I always mark area around it, which is important. So it was ending here. So that's how the trade was done. Also look at the perfect reaction. Also above you had market structure of previous range. It was very wide, and as you went above it, and also as we need to talk about the bit about range trading also. What is very bullish for your range is when you establish your range here, okay? When you establish range here, those are pretty small ranges, but we had the main range here, which was lasting from 7th of January to 11th of January. 4-day range is pretty strong, yeah? So when you are approaching into the range, you have multiple options, but the most bullish option in this scenario was bounce from value area high, which already happened here. It happened on TPO as well, but the most strong reaction you can get, and it will confirm and it will welcome other buyers to buy a bit later because they have confirmation if you are leaving the value area high, is bounce strongly from point of control. We have this cheat sheet which I can show you. You see here it is, the cheat sheet. You will learn it when you join the group. Previous range point of control or VA retest. This is the fourth scenario. It's always super bearish or super bullish if you do something like this. Fast rejection from that range, from that point of control of the range, or bounce. Perfect. So that was the scenario. And also when you go to When you go to here, this was our entry over here. Look at it was very slow. Yeah, you know, you already made take profit one. We were taking it together. This move here, this candle here, 50-minute time frame, returned you to this previous range here, and it also scared some shorts. Yeah, and now the final move up took all these shorts from this range here, from this high here, and also changed market structure. So it invited more bulls into the, you know, to continuation, and we continued a bit, you know, in the range and then up. So very fast move. We took a lot of profit, you know, above this range highs, which was very clever move to do, very safe for us. Okay, and one more thing we can check is I was actually giving the group, I was giving you, we can go over here. We can open this, and I was, so this is what happened on the left. This was, you know, while we were already in the trade from the zone. Also, one more thing, we did get swing failure pattern even here, so another small confluence, you know, for even scalpers, but this was day trade and scalp. And now we also, I was showing potential scenarios, what I would like to see, because, you know, we were bouncing from strong levels. And look, when you look at the price, I predicted how it happened, you know. You can see we reached golden zone over here. We went up, we went down a bit into the value area here, retest. Value area high was holding, which was important. It was telling you we are leaving that range. It was just friendly visit of the range, and we can continue up. That's why we trade level by level. Okay, it's the best way when you unlock, when another level unlocks you another territory, and that's how you continue. Now I was predicting we can go to the open, get small rejection, because, you know, as we know, the open is defended on the first touch. But if you claim previous day val and you continue above the open, it will trigger major move up, because those shorts here, they will admit the loss, and they will admit they were wrong, because all things are pointing out we will go higher, because you claim previous day val, so you enter into the previous day value range. And with the claim of the open, I think the last shorts gave up, and you know, the open claim is, or losing the open, usually important point in trading. We traded on Asia as Asia drive, but in this case was, you know, you can see the reaction. So that's it, you know, not hard trade to, you know, to take. We had, you know, you could place tight stop loss as a scalper, of course, and as a day trader, you are protected by more levels below. But market, you know, made you money for stop loss easy, you know, so you didn't need to worry about the trade. It was, you know, risk free. You could actually add to your positions. I was adding later as we claimed the open. So that's, you know, that's your trade you need to take. That's high probability trade. We will have many trades like this this year. I plan many with these setups, and when the levels align, we will not hesitate, we will take them. Okay, that's it from me, guys, and I wish you good evening. Bye.